Thank you for this opportunity. I'm by the name called Amanda Mario from Juba Day, science student, senior 3. I've learned the rhymes and how to fix it. Before fixing anything, you have to clean it first so that it will not mess up the thing that you're going to do. Clean it first, then you start the experiment and test it whether it's working or not.
In these lessons of the day, we learned how to prepare a computer and what things are inside the computers, like RAMs and head decks. We learned how to clean it and to prepare it in each own place.
In this program, I learned more about computers, and it's my first time to see how people repair things, how people can clean.
Today I have learned the CP units, that's the central processor units. Today we have learned also how to clean it and how to repair and replace it in its own place.
Thank you. My name is Sylvia Elia Angelo, a student at the University of Juba. I've recently finished doing my course, a bachelor degree in computer science. Well, for the experience, I'm so grateful to join Google's ICT initiative. For the practical work of today, I've learned so many things about repairing. Actually, in the university, I've been taught so many things, but today, it is my first time to see the RAM physically, removing it and then returning it into its place. And also, like, there is this hardware, some components, some devices, like these small batteries. I've never seen it. That's why I'm so grateful for Googles. Come and join us next time.
I'm glad to be here today with Google's ICT initiative to share this amazing program of computer repairs. So the skills I got today, it's like getting to know in particular about the computer components. For example, the RAM, and also I've learned how to fix the RAM or how to remove it. We actually test the computers and also their parts, such as CPU, whether they're working or not. So we also try to differentiate the CPU which is working from the one which is not working.
About these activities, we got like an all computers, like computers since 2000, computers of 1998, and then computers which is working with Windows XP, which people are currently not using. And then we got most of their monitor like spoiled. So I'm just suggesting from school, according to our checkup, we got some CPUs which are working, but most the monitors are not working. I'm just suggesting if they can buy monitors for those CPUs which are working, so they'll continue using their computers normally. Thank you.
From my experience, from the findings, we checked some of the computers and we found a lot of dust, a lot of missing spare parts, a lot of faulty slots within the CPUs. So I would recommend the schools to always do maintenance, cleaning, blowing out the dust, and do checkups so that people don't steal the RAM slots, they don't steal the hard drives from the computers.